In our country, Kenya, the Council of Elders exists, but there is no legislative proposal that guides the operations. In Botswana, we have village elders that are there, the law exists. In Ghana, village elders are there, the law exists, and so is South Africa. In Kenya, Honorable Chair, all these Council of Elders funds their own operations. They don't get any funding from any entity, Honorable Chair. In Botswana, they are paid some monthly allowance. And Honorable Chair, when I came up with this bill to provide a legal framework on how it will guide how communities will elect or appoint their elders, I was cognizant of the fact that this is my idea, which I have brought it before Parliament. I have brought it before more than 360 members of Parliament who are going to improve this idea. The day I proposed these amendments and put it on the table of the Clerk of the National Assembly, Honorable Chair, it ceased from being my own idea into an opportunity where each and every individual members of Parliament can put their input and improve this bill, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, the questions which Honorable Kawanjiku has asked in terms of how we are going to operationalize this bill, how are they going to get funding not to use their position to harass members of their community, is a matter that the whole Parliament can canvass. It's an opportunity that I have given to the members of Parliament also to suggest amendments on how we are going to improve this, Honorable Chair. So let us support this bill, for the bill to go through. And I am sure many members of Parliament, including Babu, will use his knowledge on matters law, matters actuary, to improve this bill and take it forward. But we speak today, Honorable Kawanjiku, these elders exist. There is no single community in Kenya that doesn't have their chairman. The reason why I'm proposing this bill is to be able to come up with a framework that will cap extortions by these leaders. They do a very critical role, Honorable Chair. We have got very many cases in courts, which, in my opinion, those cases never merit to be taken to the court, and the elders can be able to deal with them. To re-emphasize the role that these people play, Honorable Chair, you remember in the last 3 weeks, the High Court in Meru, when the matter touching on the impeachment of Governor Kawira Mwangasa is concerned, the court referred the matter to the Njuri Njeke. The Njuri Njeke are part of the clan elders. They can find their own alternative way of soliciting for funds. I made this decision in line of our economic time that we are speaking today. The import of my amendment is to ensure that we have the Elders Council across the country, and that this Elders Council should be given some powers in liaison with the relevant court jurisdiction, if it's a magistrate's court within that particular area, the police, or rather the security committee of that particular area. They may come up with the threshold of those disputes which should first be referred to that clan council before finding the way into the police. So I submit, Honorable Chair.